it's Sandra from Sandaroo Kids, and you know what time it is? The next level of Ruby Roo has arrived. Anyway, I'm so excited to see where Ruby goes next. Oh wow, the new level is Fire Truck Fun. That sounds like a blast. I love fire trucks. Okay, let's check our inventory. Okay, so we used the shrink power-up last time. We still have the invisibility one. And oh, we got some Roo points too. That's super good because we might need those.
Wow, look at this place. It's so beautiful and warm, and it's just so nice. Almost too nice. Are you sure we're in the right place, Rubit? But what challenges can be done here? What's that? New quest. Protect the neighborhood for a Ruby? I can protect the neighborhood? That sounds easy peasy. Just watch me. Wait a minute, but protect the neighborhood from what? There's nothing here. Rubit, what is it? What do you mean? A bright red truck? The fantastic fire department? We could use that to protect the neighborhood from whatever it needs protecting from.
Aw, Ruby's never seen a fire truck before. That's adorable. But if she's gonna be the fire chief for the day, she needs the right outfit. So let's see what we can do. Okay, nope, not for this one. We need a fire outfit. Oh my goodness, this is perfect.
Whoa, a cool new outfit. Look at it. I mean, it's not exactly my color, but I love it. What's that? New challenge. Prepare the fire truck before the timer runs out for a power-up. So that's what this is. A fire truck? Sure, I can do that.
Okay, first challenge, firefighters have to be fast. So let's see if Ruby has what it takes.
Job, Rubit. What's this? A swap power-up?
Swap power? I wonder what that does. Well, I guess we'll find out when I use it.
All right, time to go. Let's protect the neighborhood. What's that, Rubit? All right, here we go. Nothing's happening. Rubit, a little help? We're here. But there's something I don't understand, Rubit. If we're supposed to be protecting the neighborhood, why are we doing it in a truck that makes fires? It doesn't make fires, it puts out fires. Oh, is that why there are all those hoses back there? They pump water. What is it, Rubit? You sound worried. What? Where? Oh no, Rubit! We have to protect our neighborhood! It's our job!
Extinguish the fire for 20 Roo points. All right, Ruby, you can do this.
Okay, woo! Yeah, that'll do the trick. This'll extinguish the fires, right? Here we go. It's not working. Okay, think, Ruby, think. The swap power-up. That should help us, right? I mean, it's a power-up after all. Okay, One power up. Rubik, what's wrong? You seem worried. Don't worry about it. What's going on? Wait a minute. Where am I going?
Whoa, this isn't right. What's happening? I'm not part of the game. Whoa, so that's what a swap power-up does. Oh my goodness, I'm in the game. I'm with Ruby. Hey, Rubik?
Whoa! Where am I? What is this place, Rubik? Rubik! Where's Rubik? Rubik! Where are you? Rubik, where are you? Whoa! That's the fire truck! What's it doing in there?
What? You want me to complete the challenge? You know what? You're right. If I do that, we can bring Ruby back and I can go home. Okay, let's think here. We need to get water out of here. And why was it not working? Let's see. You know what? This isn't even connected. We need a water source. And it's got to either connect. We need like a hose to connect either here or fire hydrant. But this hose isn't going to work. Let's get something else. Oh no. It's worse than I thought. Oh, look. Whoa, check it out. It's a real firefighting hose. Oh, this will totally put the fire out. And it's connected with water. This will totally work. All right, let's do this. Oh, wow, we made a rainbow. It's so colorful. Oh, we put out the fire!
What? Challenge complete?
Wow, we got a Ruby? But without Ruby Roo, I guess that's the end of the challenge. Make sure to subscribe and like, and check back soon to see if I get out of this game. Bye!